What's up, everybody? It's Creative Monies here, and today we're about to blow your minds with the easiest ways to make bank online in 2025. We're talking about 5 game-changing methods that can literally change your life. Forget that 9-to-5 grind because we're diving headfirst into the world of entrepreneurship, side hustles, and straight-up money-making magic. Whether you're a tech wizard, a creative genius, or just someone who's tired of being broke, this video is your golden ticket. Get ready to take notes because we're spilling all the secrets, tips, and tricks you need to know to start stacking cash online. Let's do it. Alright guys, let's kick things off with freelancing. Imagine this. You, in your pajamas, working from your couch, setting your own hours, and raking in the dough. That's the beauty of freelancing. It doesn't matter if you're a coding ninja, a writing wizard, a graphic design guru, or a marketing mastermind. There's a gig out there for you. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are like massive online marketplaces where you can find clients from all over the world who are willing to pay top dollar for your skills. And the best part? You get to be your own boss. No more soul-crushing commutes, office politics, or boring meetings. You call the shots, set your rates, and choose the projects you want to work on. It's time to unleash your inner entrepreneur and start building a freelance empire. Trust me. The freedom and flexibility are totally worth it. Next up, we're leveling up to the big leagues with software as a service, or SaaS for short. Now I know what you're thinking, software? I'm not a tech genius, but hold on a second because SaaS isn't just for coding prodigies. It's all about creating and selling software solutions that solve real-world problems. Think subscription-based models that provide ongoing value to users, kind of like Netflix or Spotify, but for businesses or specific needs. Imagine building an app that helps businesses streamline their operations, or a platform that makes it easier for people to learn a new language. That's the power of SaaS. It's about creating something valuable, scaling it up, and watching the recurring revenue roll in. And the best part is, once you've built your SaaS product, it can generate passive income for years to come. It's like having your own money printing machine. From bedroom to business empire. Let's be real. Who doesn't love online shopping? But what if I told you that you could be the one raking in the cash from all those online purchases? That's right. With e-commerce, you can start your own online store and sell products directly to consumers worldwide. No more brick-and-mortar limitations, just pure online selling power. Platforms like Shopify make it ridiculously easy to set up your own e-commerce empire. You can sell anything from handmade crafts to trendy clothing to digital products. The possibilities are endless. And the best part? You get to be your own boss, set your own prices, and reach a global audience. It's time to unleash your inner entrepreneur and turn your passion into a profitable online business. Subscribe to our channel for more videos on online money making. Get paid to promote awesome stuff. Hold on guys, because this next one is a game changer, especially if you're just starting out. Affiliate marketing is like getting paid to share your favorite products with the world. It's super simple. You partner with a company or an individual, promote their products or services through your unique referral link, and boom, you earn a commission for every sale made through your link. It's like getting paid to recommend awesome stuff to your friends. The best part is, you don't need to create your own products, deal with customer service, or handle any of the logistics. You just focus on promoting and let the company handle the rest. It's a low-risk, high-reward way to generate income online. Sharing your knowledge for profit. Alright, knowledge seekers, this one's for you. If you've got expertise in a particular area, whether it's photography, cooking, coding, or anything in between, you can turn that knowledge into a profitable online course. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it super easy to create, host, and sell your courses to a global audience. Imagine teaching thousands of students from all over the world and getting paid for it. It's like having your own online school, but without the hassle of grading papers or dealing with school boards. Plus, you get to impact lives and share your passion with the world. It's a win-win situation. And there you have it, the top 5 ways to make money online in 2025. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. But seriously guys, there's never been a better time to start an online hustle. The internet has opened up a world of opportunities. And with a little bit of hard work and dedication, you can achieve financial freedom and live life on your own terms. So what are you waiting for? Pick one of these methods, start taking action, and get ready to crush it online. I believe in you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.